Easy English Vocabulary for Beginners, Food Edition. Bread. I like bread. Eggs. We eat eggs for breakfast. Honey. Bees make honey. Cheese. Cheese is delicious. Olive. Olive oil is healthy. Cereal. I eat cereal with milk. Jam. I spread jam on my toast. Fish. Fish swim in water. Yogurt. Yogurt is good for you. Milk. I drink milk every day. Core. An apple has a core. Juice. I like orange juice. Butter. I spread butter on my bread. Ice cream. I love ice cream. Sour cream. Sour cream is creamy. Coffee. I drink coffee in the morning. Soda. Soda is fizzy. Nuts. I like to eat nuts. Salad. I eat salad for lunch. Soup. Soup is warm and comforting. Flour. Flour is used in baking. Noodles. I eat noodles with chopsticks. Sausage. I like sausage on my pizza. Caviar. Caviar is a luxury food. Lobster. Lobster is a seafood. Oyster. Oysters live in shells. Seafood. Seafood comes from the ocean. Shrimp. Shrimp are small seafood. Burger. I like cheeseburgers. Hot dog. A hot dog is a type of sausage. Pizza. Pizza is my favorite food. Popcorn. I eat popcorn at the movies. Sandwich. I make sandwiches for lunch. Cake. Cake is sweet and delicious. Candy. I love to eat candy. Chocolate. Chocolate is made from cocoa beans. Pie. I like apple pie. Pasta. I eat pasta with tomato sauce. Milkshake. I like strawberry milkshakes. French fries. French fries are crispy. Chicken nuggets. I like chicken nuggets. Omelette. I make an omelette for breakfast. Sushi. Sushi is made with rice and fish. Taco. I love tacos. Fruits. Apples, bananas, and oranges are fruits. Tea. I drink tea with honey. Bacon. Bacon is crispy and salty. Chicken. I eat chicken for dinner. Meat. Meat comes from animals. Cheeseburger. A cheeseburger has cheese and meat. Chicken wing. I like spicy chicken wings. Donut. Donuts are sweet and fried. Sugar. Sugar is sweet. Muffin. I eat a muffin for breakfast. Thank you for your watching.